Hey everyone, welcome to Millennium Computers online 5-minute tutorial series. Today's course is going to take a quick look at a new feature in FAST called Fast Chat. Now Fast Chat is an optional feature that is available as of the new release version 4.4. Now in a prior tutorial, I gave you a quick intro to notifications, and in this demo I'd like to give you a quick introduction to chat. Now the chat function is available as an optional new feature, but if you choose to take advantage of it at your institution, let me show you a couple ways that this can be used. If I click on the chat button, I'm going to get a blank dialog box, or if someone had already sent me a message, I would see a small notification indicating that there's a chat that's already begun. Now to start a new chat, you can just click Start New Chat. And now you can start searching for users, one or more, to add to the conversation. Now there is a drop-down button, and this is going to bring up a list of everyone that's available to choose from. Or I can just start typing a name. Once you find who you're looking for, click on the person, and then you can either add more people to the conversation or just simply click Add. Now I have a conversation that's begun with one person. Down here is where I can add the text. I can add a note, and I can also add select emojis. Just like that. Now, through the magic of video tutorial editing, I have now logged out from my regular user profile, and I've logged back in as Rob. So now as Rob, I can see my chat button has illuminated, and I have 2 chats that are in progress. I'm just going to click on the chat button and find the notifications. And now I see that this particular user has sent me a message saying he needs some fast training. Now I can respond to this just as easily by using the text box. Now once you've sent the chat, I can also review other chats that may have happened in the past. And one thing to be aware of here is it's going to keep each chat thread as a separate conversation. Notice I had a previous chat with the same individual. I might want to delete that to keep my thread clean. Now there's a couple more things I can do here. One would be I could click the plus button to add another user, one or more, to the same conversation. By doing that, I'm going to now include and notify another person about the same information. It's now considered a group chat. Now the last thing I can do, and I think this is a really cool feature, is I can pop this out. So right now, this exists within the application, and it's also a fairly limited text box. But what I can do is I can click this button in New Window, and what that's done is popped it out into a completely separate worksheet. Now I can move it anywhere on my desktop, and I'm not constrained or limited by the parameters of the FAST window. At any point, if I'm finished with this conversation completely, I can certainly delete it or send additional responses either now or at a later date. I hope this has been a helpful introduction to the new Fast Chat.